Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this tutorial we will see the fade effect in jQuery. With jQuery you can fade elements in and out of visibility. jQuery has these three kind of fading methods: fade in, fade out and fade to. Let's see them one by one. First, jQuery fade in method. This method is used to fade in a hidden element. This is the syntax for fade in method. Dollar, then selector, dot, the name of method fade in, and inside parameter you can pass speed and callback function. These both are optional. In speed you can write fast, slow or speed in milliseconds. Then jQuery fade out method. The jQuery fade out method is used to fade out a visible element. This is the syntax for fade out method. Dollar, selector, dot, name of method which is fade out, and inside parameter you can pass speed and callback function. Here, if your element is already visible, then you can apply fade out method, and if your element is hidden, then you can apply fade in method. Next, jQuery fade to method. The jQuery fade to method allows you to fading to a given opacity, its value between 0 and 1. Here, this is the syntax for fade to method. Dollar, selector, dot, the name of method which is fade to. Inside parameter you can pass speed, opacity and callback function. Here in opacity you can pass the value between 0 and 1. Let's see the example for this fading effect. Here in this example we have paragraph tag and two buttons, fade in and fade out. Fade in button and its ID is fade I, and fade out button and its ID is fade O. So here in jQuery, whenever we will click on this fade in button, at that time this fade in effect will be executed, and whenever we will click on this fade out button, at that time this fade out effect will be executed. Here you can write slow or fast or speed in millisecond. Let's save the program and run it into browser. Here our element is already visible, so we can fade out. Okay, so it's hidden. Now if we want to see that element again, we can apply fade in effect. Okay, this is fade in. Let's see fade to effect. Button ID is equal to fade T, name of button fade to slash button close, and here I can write like this, fat_t dot click. It means whenever I will click on this fat_t button, at that time this fat_2 effect will be executed. Here this is speed. We can write here like this, slow, and we can pass opacity value between 0 and 1. Save the program, refresh the browser. Now let's see the fat_2 effect. So now its opacity is 50%. Let's change the value here. Save the program, refresh the browser, and now apply fat_2 effect. Okay, so its opacity is decreased.